Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Flux Kontext to generate images, to generate AI images. So I'm just going to go to openr.ai, go to image here, and I'm just going to select create image. Then under model or character, you're going to switch to Flux Kontext. There is the standard one, there is Pro, which is better, there's also Max. I'm not sure if they require like you to have Pro. I don't have a lot of credits, so I'll just do this one. I think that's also Pro if I'm being honest. Oh, okay, you'll only need 10 credits and I have 40, so that's good. I'm just going to enter a prompt. I'm just going to type in cute, wait, a blob of slime. No, okay, I don't know what to type. I'll just type like an escalator. Wait, no. I'll just type in a cat sitting on clouds. There we go. And then you can adjust the number of images. I'll just do one, but obviously there's other, well, you can generate more, but it will require more credits. Hold on. And then here you can also add in references and you're going to just select create. Turbo is on, so let's see how fast this will generate. Okay, it's not going to take a long time, so I'm just going to wait. Okay, and that is pretty much it. You can see this is pretty neat. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.